So there is this feature in WhisperFlow AI that I didn't mention on my previous video. So in case you didn't know, WhisperFlow is basically an AI-powered dictation tool that runs on your computer, and then you can use it to convert your speech into text, but it is being powered by AI. So if you made some mistake in your speaking, it will fix the mistake, it will correct the grammar, it will make sure that it uses the correct punctuation, and basically the text is going to be way better compared to just using regular transcriber tool. Now let me give you one example of what WhisperFlow can do. So let's say here I'm going to use Perplexity to do a research about, let's say, Tesla Model 3, but I'm going to send this prompt: hey, please generate a report about Tesla Model X. Sorry, I mean Tesla Model 3. You see, I said something, I made a mistake in the middle, but given that it is being powered by AI, it will just, fix the error and will, fix the error in the middle, and it will make sure that the text is exactly reflecting my intent. So it's not going to include the Tesla Model X in the middle because it is not what I meant. But yeah, that's basically the idea behind WhisperFlow. So there is one feature called comment mode, which I didn't mention on my previous video because this feature is not exactly being pushed by the company, but it's still very useful. It's still in beta, but it works really well for me. So basically, it will be able to edit existing text that you have. You can make it longer. You can make the text to be better by just sending a prompt to WhisperFlow, just saying it, telling WhisperFlow to do something about the text. So on Mac, the keyboard shortcut would be Fn and CMD or Command, but for Windows, it is Control, Win, and Alt. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to be using that keyboard shortcut. All right, now, as a demonstration, I'm going to create a picture using Recraft AI. If you are interested to use this tool, you can check the link in the video description. So here, I'm going to say something like, I'm going to recreate this prompt. So I have this prompt that says, generate a picture of a woman riding a convertible car with a big explosion in the background. All right, it's fine. I think the picture looks great, but we can get a more detailed prompt using WhisperFlow command mode. Now I'm going to just copy this, and I will create another version so we can compare the original prompt and the prompt that has been improved by command mode in WhisperFlow. Okay, now I'm going to select this, and I'm going to press Ctrl, Windows, and Alt, and we'll improve this prompt. Please improve this prompt to make it more cinematic. Alright, still thinking, and there you go. So this is the new prompt based on the text that I provided earlier. Now I'm going to send a message, and you will see the comparison between the original versus the new improved prompting. It doesn't always mean it's going to be better, but in some cases, you might want to have a very long, detailed, and specific prompt, especially if you're working with various AI tools like Perplexity, where detail in the instruction is very important. So this is the result. And yeah, it's actually much closer to my vision. So I was thinking to have an explosion when the woman is riding away from the explosion, so it's exactly in the background. This is okay, but I prefer this one a lot more because it's just more cinematic, and there is some grainy look from the photo, which I think looks nice. But overall, that's basically the idea behind this command mode in WhisperFlow. So go ahead and use this tool, but keep in mind that this feature at the moment is still in beta, so it might not be perfect. And secondly, it is only available for Pro users, so you have to be in the Pro users, and if you're a free user, you cannot use it, unfortunately. But if you're using the free trial, if you're a new user, you can definitely use command mode in this WhisperFlow AI. So yeah, go ahead and use this new feature, and I think you're going to find much value out of it. So if you find this video to be interesting, or if you want to see more unique or interesting AI tutorials, then subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you around. Have a great day.